Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in race red with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This also has a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It's an Ecoboost and it's also a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and it also has a sport package, which includes the sport cloth seating as well as the center console. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You also have your electronic parking brake, as well as power pedals, lighting controls. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you've got your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, and we also have a menu that'll appear that you can toggle through. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a little cubby up above, as well as your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You've got a display screen that you can touch on, so right now we've got navigation, and when we touch on audio, we can go into the sources and choose from AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have your settings, and you can slide through there for different options as well, Wi-Fi hotspot, change your display screen, and so forth. And then down below you have your volume and tuner, and there's your CD player, and you have your climate control with heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as front and rear defrost, AC and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, and your Pro Trailer backup. There's a little cubby there, and down below you're seeing a couple of USB outlets. You have an automatic select shifter, and there's drive mode located here. When you press on it on your dash, you will see normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. There's a nice little bin here that you can take things out. And down below, lots of storage room and a 12-volt. Off to the side is another 12-volt and a 110 outlet. As well, you have a locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder. That's the power button to slide that back window for you. And then we have a nice dual moonroof, and we just push the button and it'll slide it right open for you. 20-inch wheels, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Below the handle is your backup camera, and this displays the reverse view when you're going backwards, and you have view in your LCD screen in the front console. There's backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step, making it easier to get in. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you're seeing that tire tread design. That's the sport cloth interior. On the floor, you have an all-weather mat that goes from one side to the other, and there's extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents. There's grab handles in the body, lights and hooks, as well as that panoramic view up above, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.